Hi, this is Sushma Aravi. Now I would like to explain the medical cost analysis project. These are the columns we have in our data set: age, sex, BMI, children, smoker, region and charges. Using these columns we are going to solve all the questions. First question is the basic statistics and data understanding. Here we are going to calculate the average, median and standard deviation of medical charges, BMI and age across the entire data set. Now we are going to use the average, median and standard deviation functions in Excel. Here are the values we got using the average, median and standard deviation functions. uh, and we have used average function to calculate the average of the BMI charges and age, and we have used median function to calculate the BMI charges and age, and we have used standard deviation function to calculate the standard deviation. Here we got the values of each BMI charge and age. These are the values we got of the each average, median and standard deviation. Coming to the next question, gender analysis. Here we are going to compare the average medical charges and BMI between male and female. And we used Payot table here, and like average if functions also. This is the this is the values from Payot table we got. According to this, male has the highest BMI and medical charges, which has 30.94 is the BMI of average, and 13,956 is the medical charges of male. And these are the values from we got from the average function. Here also we got the male like male sex is the got maximum average BMI and medical charges. Coming to next question, impact of smoking on cost. Uh, Here we are going to calculating the average cost for smokers versus non-smokers using Payot table charts and average ifs. Here, like using Payot table, we got the more smokers are present in the data set, which is 32,050 is the value we got from Payot table. And we here is the values we got from the average if. Here also we got the same value from like whatever we got in the Payot table, that is 32,050. Here also like more smokers are present in data set. This is the visualization we have presented according to the smokers. Here is the like we have used bar chart here. And this is the column of smokers and this is the non-smoker column. We have more smokers in the data set. And coming to the fourth question, dependent analysis. Here we are going to evaluate the finding of the correlation between number of children are dependent and medical charges using some Excel functions, line chart and scatter chart. This is the scatter plot we got. We have found out the correlation between children and charges using the correl function in the Excel. Here is we got the positive correlation, that is 0.067. Got like correlation between children's are dependent versus medical charges. This is the line chart we got according to the dependent and medical charges. Coming to the fifth question, that is geographical insights. Here we are finding out the average charges and BMI using Payot table and average formula for all the regions. Average bar chart. This is a Payot table we used, and there are 4 regions are present in the data set, that is northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. We have found out all the averages of medical charges and BMI. Southeast has the maximum average charges and BMI of average. these are the values we found out using average function. Here also we got the Southeast has the highest medical charges and BMI. This is the visualization chart we presented um, of all the regions. That has Southeast has the maximum average charges and BMI. The second one is Northeast, and third is Southwest, and the lowest is the Northwest is the medical charges and average BMI. Coming to the next question, that is a cost distribution analysis. Here we are going to create the histogram and frequency data analysis tool pack. This is the frequency we got using data analysis tool pack, and this is the histogram we have created using bins. Here we have bin range, that is we have taken the difference of 10 10 10 till 50, and we have done file, have we created add-ins, options and add-ins. And okay, here like we have calculated the data analysis, we have selected histogram and okay, and we have given the input range, bin range, and like our new sheet, new book sheet, and we have clicked okay. We have calculated this frequency according to like whatever I shown just now. And coming to the IBM classification, we have the values under BMI classification, that under 18.5 value, that is underweight, which and 18.5 to 24.9, which is comes under normal, and overweight is 25 to 29.9, and obsess is 30 plus. Like whatever values are comes under this range, those all comes under this normal, underweight, overweight and obsess. Now we are going to calculate the how many values are comes under each category. These are these many count of each category comes under underweight. Like we have used countif function here to calculate this value, and 222 like values are comes under normal, and 377 values are comes under overweight, and obsess is 707 values are comes under BM, like obsess of BMI. Next is advanced correlation analysis. Now here we are going to calculate the correlation between BMI and charges, that is 0.183. like now I am going to show that this is the correlation function we got between BMI and charges, that is 0.198. it is a positive correlation. This is scatter plot we have plotted here. This is the trend line, this shows the positive correlation. Coming to ninth question, smoking and region interaction. Here we are going to using pivot table and slices and average ifs. Like according to we have put region in the rows and filters in the smokers. According to smokers, we are going to calculate that here values are averages of charges. This is the table according to the Pyote table. Here we got Southeast has the most smokers, and if no, this has the Northeast has the like no smokers area region, but here we are going to consider the smokers area region, that is Southeast has the most smokers. These are the values from average function. Here also we got the same value like Pyote table, that is 34k 844. This is slicer we have inserted here. We have to click on the Pyote table and right click on that. For interaction, we are going to use the slicers for more interaction. This is the last question, that is we are going to create the dashboard creations for all the stakeholders. Here we are going to use the dashboard designs, pivot charts, slicers and interactive elements. This is the first of smoker and charges. Here is the like non-smokers are no medical charges are having no smokers are present in the non-smokers charges. This is the bar chart we presented over here. This according to the sex, like we have found out the medical charges, and male are the having more average charges. And coming to region wise, that is Southeast has the more medical charges than all the regions. These are the slicer we have used here. According to this we can alteration, like whatever we need the value we can go for this, like slices are used for like more interaction in the dashboards. This is the bar graph we have used here. Here Southeast has the more medical charges, and Northwest is the like less medical charges we have got. These are the slides we have prepared for this project. Thank you so much.